Good morning, students. Today's topic is solvation and association and their importance in solubility. Solvation describes the interaction of a solvent with dissolved molecules. It means interaction of a solvent with solute molecules can be described by solvation process. It is also called as this is the process in which solvent and solute molecules are reorganizing into solvation complexes. This process involves a formation of a bond, hydrogen bonding or van der Waals forces between solute and solvent molecules. When the solvation process when water is used as a solvent, the process is called as hydration. Hydration is defined as solvation of solute by water is called as hydration. During this processing of attracting and associating the molecules of solvent with molecules of ion are dissolved in a solvent, then solute get surrounded by the solvent molecule. During this process, solute molecules are surrounding with the molecules of solvents. By observing the following diagram, you will clearly describe the solvation process. When solute molecules are surrounding by a solvent molecules to get a solution. During this process, there is a reorganization occurs in between solute and solvent molecules to produce the solution. Examples: when sodium chloride is a salt form, when reacted with water to get a two oppositely charged ions like sodium plus having positive charge and chloride ions are having negative charge. By observing the solvation process, when sodium chloride is dissolved in a water, when sodium chloride is act as a solute and water is act as a solvent. When reacted with water, it can be decomposed into two ions, sodium plus ions and chloride ions. By observing the solvation process, solute molecules of sodium plus ions is surrounded by a electronegative molecules present in a water, oxygen, completely surrounded by the sodium plus ions. When comparing the sodium chloride ions, there are in negative charged molecules. In water, molecules containing the hydrogen atoms are having positive charge. The positive charges are surrounded by a negative charged solute molecules. By observing the following diagrams, you will observe the solvation of sodium chloride. So this is process. Solute molecules are surrounded by a solvent molecules. There are different types of factors which influencing on solvation process: hydrogen bonding and van der Waals forces. Solvation energy is defined as amount of energy related to the with dissolution of a solvent. If the solvation energy is positive, the process is called as endothermic process. If the solvation energy is negative, the process is exothermic in nature. Next one, association. Association mainly depending on dielectric constant of the solvents. Association of ions is a chemical reaction in which electric charge ions come together in a solution and form a distinct chemical entity. Exam by observing the following diagram. Chemical reaction in which opposite electric charge ions come together in a solution and form a distinct chemical entity. Classification according to nature of interaction, there are contact, solvent shared and solvent separated. By observing the following diagram, fully solvated, second one is solvent shared or solvent separated ion pair, third one is contact ion pair. These are the three types of association occurs in between two oppositely charged electrical charge reagents in a solution. This behavior can be explained by using Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law expressed by using following equation: F is equal to Q1 into Q2 by dielectric constant into R square, where F is equal to forces of attractions. Q1, Q2s are magnitudes of electric charges. Epsilon is a dielectric constant of the medium. R is the radius between the ions. Dielectric constant is association is also increases with electrical charges increases, means Q1 Q2 can be increases, associations charge also can be increases. The size of the ions can be decreases, means R can be decreases, association can be increases. The magnitude of dielectric constant can be decreases, ion association will be increases. Thank you.